Okay, right. Last class, what we discussed? Abstract class interface are completed. Abstract class and interface completed. Now see, multiple inheritance. Multiple inheritance. What is multiple inheritance? How we can achieve it in interface? Inheritance between more than one parent. Inheritance between more than one parent and single child. Single child. Inheritance between more than one parent and single child. Okay, it's like a hybrid one. Okay, two parents are single child. Okay, now class child, class child inherit with the parent one comma parent parent one comma parent. Class child inherit with the parent one comma parent two. Parent two. Okay. So it is not possible with the general parents. Like for example, class keyword class here child. Here also class keyword class. Here also class keyword class. It's not possible. At a time, only one class keyword class can be extended. That means can be inherited. It's child. Okay. Now what I have. So right now see, we'll write a program first. We'll check it once whether it is executing or not. So then how we have to achieve the multiple inheritance we'll see. So multiplication. Okay. Now see. Okay. So observe here. I take two classes, two parent class here. Okay, two parent class. I'm assigning with a single, okay, child class. Two parent class. I'm assigning with a single child class. Okay. What will happen? From test. From test one. From test. So automatically it's showing the error actions. Okay. Cannot have multiple base classes. Clearly it's showing that cannot have multiple base classes. We cannot access multiple base classes at a time. Multiple base classes at a time. Okay, it's clear, right? So now, so with the class keyword, class, we can inherit only one parent. Okay, only one parent. To achieve get multiple inheritance. We have to use at least one interface. One interface. To get multiple inheritance, we have to use at least one interface as parent class. Get at least one interface as parent class. And we can use all our interfaces also as parents. Now see. Now how I have to do class syntax. The syntax we have to do like this. Class child parent one comma interface class. Interface class. Or class child interface one comma interface two. Interface. Both are interface also we can use. At least one interface is must to achieve the multiple or to get the multiple inheritance. Multiple inheritance. Now we'll see. So I have to do anyone as a okay interface. Now see. Interface. Test one. Interface test one. Now test is the normal class. Test one is the interface. Now see. Interface doesn't have implementation. Doesn't have implementation. It having all are unimplemented. Unimplemented methods. Also. So automatically here it is show class test two. Oh, test one. Okay. Now implement interface test. Okay. Now I can use the both. Okay. Test one class as parents now. Now observe here. It is okay. T2 dot print. It's one method. Now, build solution. And then no error. G. That means so multiple inheritance means two parents, one child can be accessed with at least one interface. Okay. So, or we can write all our interfaces. Or we can write all our interfaces also. Understand everyone? Yes? Clear? Understand? Clear, right? Interface is clear? Okay. Next. So interface and multiple interfaces. Next. Multiple interfaces with multiple interfaces. Now I am taking this also interface. This also interface. Because of interface, no implemented methods. Now this also has to implement by the child class. Implement. So already there. Okay. Now see. Get. Now see. Build solution and then debug. From test one and from test. From test one and from test. Okay. This is about multiple inheritance with multiple interfaces. Okay. Multiple inheritance with multiple interfaces. Clear? Chandane, Kamal, Mausam, Prajwal. Clear, right? Okay. This is about multiple inheritance. Actually, rarely we are using multiple inheritance. Even we might not use also. Okay. But we have to know that. Okay. So next one, final class. Final class. Final, sorry. Field class. Field class. Field class is a class. Field class is a class. Doesn't have child class. Field class is a class. Doesn't have child class. Field class is a class. Doesn't have child class. A child class cannot derive or inherit field class. A child class cannot derive or inherit with a sealed class. That means sealed class because it is sealed. So we cannot access the sealed class methods with the child class now. Then how I can access how I can execute the sealed class? But we can create object for sealed class. Sealed class is a class doesn't have child class. A child class cannot derive from the derive or inherit with the sealed class. Okay, sealed class. But you can create an object for the sealed class. Now we'll see that. Okay. Bye. Now observe here. Sealed class class. So now check it once. So seal class cannot be derived. Seal class cannot be derived. Class seal class demo. Okay. Seal class cannot derive. I'm creating test object. One object. I'm trying to t1 dot get one dot. Now I'm trying to run this. What will happen? Cannot derived from the seal type. Cannot derived from the seal type. Okay. So seal class doesn't have an object. You cannot derived. Okay. So seal class is child class. Therefore, what we have to do? Now it is not a parent for the test one. Test one also normal class now. Both are the different classes. Now, so if I want to call the get method, if I want to call the get method, we have to create object for the seal class. We have to create object for the seal class. E dot get. Build solution deeper. Both methods are executed. That means so two are different classes here. Two are different classes here. Okay. Okay, this is about to sale class. If sale class in the parent position, so we cannot access any child. Okay, sale class cannot access the sale type. Now, if sale class in the okay, if seal class in the okay. If seal class in the child position, so then can it access or not? Okay, now instead of okay putting seal here, so I am using sealed for the child. What will happen? Now child class can inherit. Child class can inherit with any parent. Child class can inherit with any parent. Now, T1 dot get. Okay. So now seal is the child class. Okay. Inherit with the parent. So what is happening here? So seal class can access any parent. Can access any, can inherit any parent. This is about seal class. Okay. So these are the classes here we have. So next we'll go for the Windows Forms application. Windows Forms application. Okay. So before that, okay. So big topics we have to discuss: exception handling, IO handling. Okay. IO handling, exception handling, IO handling. Okay. So we will do with the Windows Forms application. You can understand clearly, right? So this is about the okay console based applications. How we can do the console based applications. These applications rarely you are using. Okay. So desktop applications and web applications only you have to use. So next we'll go for the desktop applications. What I will do, so tomorrow and day after tomorrow, I will refresh all the topics what we discussed as of now. Okay. Anybody don't understand, I can explain clearly. I think Sony, Prasbal, so new, I think so. Okay. So what I will do, I will explain tomorrow and day after tomorrow. So old topics. Once I will repeat all this, and Monday I will start the Windows Forms application. Monday I will start the Windows Forms application. Okay. Clear everyone? As of now, what we discuss. Anybody has doubt? Mausam, Kamal, Chandani, Prajwal, Sony. Yes. Yes, Chandani, SQL Server. So Chandani, Kamal, Mosam, Prajwal. Prajwal anyway attending. Okay. If possible, you can attend the SQL server also. Okay. Saturday, Sunday. Right?
Is it the same time?
So same time. Saturday, Sunday also.
Actually, I
You're just gonna
won't
teach
be able to
server
attend.
on Saturday and Sunday.
Okay. See, if possible, you can understand, attend. Not a problem. Otherwise, I will go with regular class anyway. In the regular class also, I will explain SQL server. Especially, I am giving for the Prajwal and some people. So immediately they want. That's why I am giving extra Saturday, Sunday. If you want, you can attend. Otherwise, not a problem. Later, I will explain anyway. Okay.
Yeah, I mean, I won't be able to attend the class.
No issues, Mausam. We'll do in class, not a problem. Okay. I take the class.
I mean, yeah, if you can provide the video, then that will be help.
Yes, I will provide. Even I will provide that also. Not a problem. Okay.
Thank you.
All right.
Thank you.
Right. So if you want to attend tomorrow, also you can attend. No problem. Sandani, Kamal, Mosam, Prajwal. So Prajwal, anyway, you have to attend. Okay. Basic things you did not attend. So anybody wants, okay, anybody wants attend again tomorrow, day after tomorrow also you can attend. So okay, I will start from again. I will repeat. So as early as possible, I will complete to tomorrow and day after tomorrow. So what are the backups? Then we'll go for the okay Windows Forms application on Monday. Okay, right? Yes. Right. Okay. We'll continue tomorrow, right? We'll continue tomorrow. Okay.